Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Benks product review video. Appreciate your time, your support. Today we're going to be looking at the Glass Warrior screen protector for the S25 Edge. All the information to purchase the Glass Warrior screen protector will be down below in the description area. I want to give a special thank you to Benks for giving me the opportunity to represent. Digging the packaging, always a bold look. And that right there, folks, is a thumbs up. But what we need to find out is the Glass Warrior Tempered Glass Screen Protector going to be a thumbs up as well? You're going to get HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, scratch resistant, anti-reflection tempered glass screen protector for the S25 Edge. Got some more information back there. Get a quick look at that. And without further ado, let's do this. All right, let's take out the contents out of this very nice presentation. You got a humongo dust absorber for the display. Full coverage dust absorber. I like their little mascot guy there since 2008. And you got the tempered glass Warrior screen protector applicator kit here. There is the top of the applicator. There's a lot of information that you can read. I would suggest that you do. There's a reason Benks puts that information right there over the top of the Glass Warrior screen protector. You got your QR codes. You're going to watch what I do in the video. It's a pretty simple process, but it's always a thumbs up to read everything that Benks is giving you here to make the process that much simpler. And right here we have our accessories to wipe the display of the S25 Edge. So we're going to go ahead and get into that. Got some extra dust absorbers, microcloth, and your alcohol prep wipe. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, add some music for your entertainment, but I'm going to slow it down when I get to step 1 and step 2. Okay, so with that, we're going to turn over my S25 Edge and remove the existing tempered glass screen protector. And well, it's time that we speed up the process. So let's do it. So the first step is to remove this guy right here, number 1. Okay, very simple, very easy. And then we're going to pull the number 2 tab, attach to a rubber material there that's going to stretch out and snap off. That's going to allow the Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector to adhere to the S25 Edge display. And then you want to just sort of rub that area, let it sit for a few seconds. And then we're going to remove the top to remove the final piece of film over the Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector. Look at that, folks. Touch response. Nice. I would suggest you reset your fingerprint just to make sure you don't have any issues and any issues with the touch response when it comes to navigating through your Google feed, your app drawers, going into an app. You want to make sure everything's going to be perfect. Let's see if we can do that again. Boom. So I'm not going to reset mine, but I do suggest you doing that to get the best out of your glass wire tempered glass screen protector from Benks. And I got to tell you, man, that is perfect. It is clean. It is beautiful. Just a little bit of a gap between the aluminum rail of your S25 Edge and the tempered glass screen protector. That is really, really nice. All right, so let's test out a couple cases. Actually, I'm going to test out 3. We got the Dot Blue Cloud from UAG. We got the Onyx Black Magnetic case from Rinky, and we have the Black Aramid Fiber Magnetic case from Thinborn. So what we want to see is that we're not going to have any issues whatsoever with the Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector from Benks with these cases from other companies. All right, let's go ahead and put my S25 Edge into the Blue Cloud Dot case from UAG. Let's go ahead and get a little closer here. We don't want to see any issues up top, along the right and left hand side, and at the bottom. No lifting whatsoever. Just enough space between the glass wire and the blue dot case from UAG. So no issues going on there. It's always nice to see. All right, let's go back out. The Rinky Onyx. Get a little bit of a wipe down. And now the Aramid fiber case from Thinborn. It's a good looking case. Okay, talk about minimalism, right? Oh yeah, definitely going to work. No issues with the Aramid fiber magnetic case there. Plenty of space. All right. That off of there. You're going to see a review for this case here. I'm not going to give you any information, just stay tuned for it. From Benks. Of course, you shouldn't have any issues with any products from Benks as far as cases working with their screen protectors. It's the same company. Yeah, no issues whatsoever. Perfect. All right, folks. Thank you so much. Huge shout out to Benks for the opportunity, to all of you for coming on by and watching this review on the Glasswire Tempered Glass Screen Protector from Benks. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.
That's all, folks.